So today looking at the Toyota CHR and how it gets you in the mood, and we're not talking about its looks, even though the looks are very impressive. Look at that. It's definitely got baby Lamborghini Urus vibes. No, we're talking about the ambient lighting inside the cab. For that though, we have to recreate nighttime. So if by magic, let's do that. So I've recreated nighttime to show you how the ambient light works. I'll just start her up. As you can see, it goes green and then red. And I've mentioned it before, you'll see on the night drive, these are incredible at night. I mean, come on, look in the cabin now. It gives you a real sense of confidence. When you turn, look, see the lights. They light up the corners, go around bends for you. But what I didn't know on the last time I mentioned this ambient lighting, look how cool it is there's 50 different color settings. But not only that, you can choose a setting. So you can choose time.
When the illumination theme is set to time, the colors will change every hour, with bright tones in the morning and relaxing ones at night.
So how cool is that? You can also link it to your climate control.
It can be used to add comfort when linked to climate control. Cool colors create a refreshing sensation, while warm colors give a sense of warmth, depending on your selected climate settings.
Or you can also change it to your drive mode, so it can also show colors which represent your driving style.
The illumination can also change each time you select a drive mode.
You could also link it to safety functions, which is incredible. Watch this.
The illumination is also linked to safety functions. For example, it will turn bright red to alert you to vehicles and bicycles approaching from behind, helping to prevent accidents when a door is opened.
It only comes on the XL, Premier and GR Sport. You don't get it on the Icon or the Design. But, like I've said, at night, this is an incredible place to be. So I hope you'll agree that was definitely worthy of another video, because as you'll see from my videos, I've looked at loads of CHRs and I didn't know that that was a thing. I've mentioned the ambient lighting before when I did the night drive. Go and have a look at that video. But I didn't know you could change it to 50 different colors and there was settings you could set it to. So hopefully that was good information for you.
Theme, go to settings, tap Vehicle Customize and select Illumination. From here, you can also select among 50 colors and 14 preset themes to match your mood for every journey.
So I think you'll agree the Toyota CHR 2024 is great inside and out. So let's just, while we're out here, a few people might have not seen the videos. I've done loads of videos on CHRs. This is the GR. It's got the really nice sport seats, the wider infotainment, nice inside, all the way through. It's got the electric boot. This is the standard hybrid. You'll see the other videos. It's got JBLs as well, which has the lower lip. Have a look at the other videos I've done on plugins. The plug-in comes about here, so you lose a little bit of space. I've done loads of videos, but like I said, this video was mainly about that ambient lighting. So we'll have a quick look. We'll have a look round it. We'll jump inside. During the day, like I've mentioned before, the drive's a little bit lackluster. It's a little bit underpowered for my liking, but I've got out of a RAV. The RAVs are rocket ships. Oh look, it's got JBLs in here as well, look. But yeah, a little bit underpowered. Hence why I did a drive at night. At night, these come into their own. If you do a drive at night regularly, these are amazing. The adaptive lights, the adaptive cruise. Go and have a look at that video. I've done one on that. But yeah, at night, these fill you with so much. And you just saw inside, we just recreated the nighttime. They are incredible in this cab at night. You feel very nice in here. Like I mentioned on the last video, the only negative my daughter mentioned when she was in the passenger seat was this cabin kind of closes her off a bit. She said, you'll see the other video, her terminology was it feels like she's in a business class cabin, cordoned off, a little bit constricted. But that was the only negative really. I mean, you can't. Everything else is pretty much positive. You'll see my videos on CHRs. I've done plug-ins, hybrids, different specs. Yeah, just grab this one to check out the ambient lighting, because I did not know about them 50 different lights and the settings. So I'm hoping you didn't know either. Let's just finish off. Quick walk round of this CHR. Mentioned before, What an aggressive look, but stunning. Look at it. I think while we're in here recreating the night, I'll just have a look around this. Look at them lights. At night, that's what you'll see coming at you. It's pretty cool, right? Let's go around the back. Yeah, it literally looks as good at night as it does in the day, eh? What a cracking car. So I just thought we'd finish off in the tranquil ambient lighting of the cab at night. If you enjoyed that video, please do give it a like. That would help my channel immensely. And if you wanted to subscribe to me, I mainly do cars and making money. And so they both come hand in hand, don't they? You need money to buy cars. So if you want to go and have a look at my other stuff, I'd make a little bit of money here and there side. It's a little side hustle. We all need a side hustle nowadays. But yeah, the ambient lighting in the CHR, I didn't know about it. Hopefully you didn't know about it, and you do now. Have a great day.